Hi, hello. Hi, lovely humans. I'm Aradhana, and this is my friend Vichitra. And today we are off to a lunch date, actually, a lunch date with our friend, an international lunch date, because हम जा रहे हैं आज इंटरनेशनल गर्ल्स हॉस्टल our classmate Kin from Myanmar. She's from Myanmar, and she has invited us to, cook and eat together to their in their hostel. So we are off to International Girls Hostel. So join us. Hello.
हेलो।
Why are you there?
आज हम जा रहे हैं, खाना बना के खाएंगे।
आप कहाँ पे हैं?
हम अभी इंटरनेशनल गर्ल्स हॉस्टल में हैं।
और आपके हाथ में क्या है?
मेरे हाथ में कुछ इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं और आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि एक इंटरनेशनल गर्ल्स हॉस्टल का रूम कैसे दिखता है, राइट?
दिखता है। तो आते ही काम में लग गए हैं विचित्रा एंड खिन. They have both, started the process. We even didn't discuss our plan of action. They just started. What's in today's menu? Vichitra, what's in today's menu?
चिकन करी
And
चिकन करी
and rice and salad and we shall fry some papad. This papad is from Odisha. We have brought, sesame papad from Odisha, and so that we wanted to give it to Kin because I wanted कि वो भी ये try करे अपनी ओडिशा की delicacy. So yes. So while they are busy in cutting and chopping of vegetables and cooking on marinating, मैं अभी एक part दिखा देती हूँ यहाँ की. तो they have got separate balconies for separate rooms, which is a very beautiful thing, as they are all paying high price for a single hostel room. So this is the view. We can see Maitri hostel from here, and ये भी पूरा part है, it's a very high story building. I think it's 10 or 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I suppose, yes, 11 story. So this is International Girls Hostel, guys. तो दिखाओगे नहीं इन बिटवीन प्रोसेस क्या चल रहा है? अब तक सब्जी कट रही है, ये आलू फ्राई हो चुकी है, हम देख रहे हैं कुछ प्रोग्रेस हो गया है. एंड मच टू आवर सरप्राइज खिन ने चावल बना दिया है ऑलरेडी. So Kin, I see some spices here written in a foreign language. It's which language?
It's Burmese language.
Burmese language. What's written there?
It's written Ngaji Chao Jo. Ngaji means a kind of fish. It's a fish name.
Okay.
Okay. And Ngaji Chao means dry fish, a fried dry fish. That's
Oh.
like that.
Okay. And that one?
That one is box of tea leaf.
Tea leaves.
Tea
Okay.
leaf.
So
in my country, mostly we eat fermented tea leaf.
fermented tea leaves.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we make a salad with fried beans.
Okay.
With fried beans, fried sesame. And then we make salad, tea leaf salad we make.
Tea leaves salad you make. In our country we only eat, drink tea, chai.
Only chai.
We don't know other use of tea leaves. No,
Yeah.
they eat fermented tea leaves for salad purpose also.
One day I will make and bring for you.
Yeah, sure. What's again it? Kin?
This is Ngaji Chao Jo.
जीचा. ए, उसने जो बोला फिर से बोलो.
Ngaji Chao Jo. Ngaji
नजी
Chao. Ngaji Chao Jo.
नजी छक छक
Ah,
हाँ,
Ngaji
ये छाओ छो.
Lapak. This is lapak.
Lafak. What is lafak? Oh, that
Lafak
that
means tea
that
leaf.
that tea leaves is a lafak.
Lafak.
Yes, lafak is very easy to pronounce than the chi chao cho. We prepared the salad and this is ready and already chawal is cooked. So बस अभी garnishing बाकी है and we are going to eat very soon. Now the cooking phase is over and अभी हम seating arrangement पे लगे हुए हैं. एक मैट तो मिल गया. अभी खीन और एक देसी जुगाड़ कर रही है. खीन यहाँ इंडिया में रह के she has also learned to do जुगाड़ things, so I can't wait. Kin, this much is enough. No, don't make the clothes dirty. We can't digest this much of hospitality actually. One thing I must mention here, that the Burmese people, they are very good in hospitality. The hospitality is top notch. Okay, I appreciate that. So these things look so tempting. Here is our chicken made by our baby chef Bichitra. Sorry to call you baby, ma'am. It's the chef Bichitra. And this is salad. It's the only thing I can make. It's rice already prepared by Kin. And what is this, Kin?
Is it
Fried aloo. Masala aloo.
we call it balachao jo.
Okay, it's something a Burmese dish only.
balachao.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
Potato,
Okay.
fried potato, peanut,
Okay.
onion, and chili.
Okay. So all the arrangements have been done. Now I am signing off because I'm so hungry. Okay.
I think friendship is taken to another level when you cook together, sit together, and eat together. Footable conversations are the ones when you start to know one another in a level deeper than just the surface level, the superficial level. Testing food from different cultures, I think, is like living in that culture even for a shorter period of time. And the moment you get up from that dining area, you take with yourself a sense of respect for that culture and its people. And trust me, this experience is one of a kind.